Hey friend, welcome back. Listen, one of the questions that I get asked the most is how can I retain my clients? Keep them coming back again? If that sounds like you, you're going to want to stay around because today I'm going to share with you 3 ways for you to retain more clients and keep those people coming back again and often. Hey, I'm Tequila, the $1 Million Cleaning Coach, and I teach you, residential and commercial cleaning service owners, how to create the effective processes within your business to build profitable 6 and 7 figure cleaning businesses. Make sure that you grab some of my business building tools linked down below. Let's get started. What does it mean to retain? Simply put, it's getting people to come back. Okay, so returning. But I want you to take a look at something. So if you take a look at my screen, you will see that I want you to think about this scenario. Let's assume that you say that, hey, I want to increase my business next year by a gross of $75,000. And you're looking and you're trying to figure out, hey, how can I do that? We got 2 options. You can either do the one-time thing or you can do the recurring thing, because remember, like they say, it's always cheaper to keep her, right? So we want to keep those people coming back again and often. And I'm going to show you here why it's cheaper for you to actually keep those clients coming back again. So let's suppose that we had a goal of $75,000 that we wanted to increase our business by. And we're going to assume that our average one-time clean is $350. And we're going to assume that our recurring clean, that's those people that we're retaining that are coming back again and often, that average clean is 175. So if we use those numbers, we're going to say that if I want to increase by $75,000 and I'm only doing one-time cleans, I'm only doing deep cleans, I'm only doing those people that are coming to me one time, you know how many people you will have to secure every single month in order for you to make that $75,000 at the end of the year. It's actually 18 new clients that you need to get every single month. And how did I come up with that calculation? If you look here, you will see that 18 people, 18 clients at $350 is $6,500 a month. Now, $6,500 a month times 12 months is 75,600 for the year. Or if you say, hey, I'm going to focus on retention. Retention is going to be my number one goal for my business. What will that look like? Let's say that, hey, we served those 18 clients and our goal is to get them to come back again and often, right? Now, all we need to get to $75,000 increase next year is to retain 17 biweekly clients. And look here, it's showing you. So 17 biweekly recurring clients each month. 17 clients at $175 is $2,975, okay? That you're going to secure from those 17 clients. But those 17 clients are going to be cleaned 26 times a year because they're going bi-weekly every 2 weeks. So what does that mean? That means that you actually are going to gross $77,000 by retaining only 17 biweekly clients paying a minimum of $175 each cleaning. Which type of service do you prefer? Listen, I'm all about the recurring, okay? Get them people coming back again and often. And what that's going to do, that's going to allow you to be able to grow faster. You're going to be able to grow your business a lot smoother with those recurring clients, because guess what? Recurring means that, hey, I was just here a couple of weeks ago or last month, meaning that I'm familiar with the house. I can create a workflow. I can move through that house efficiently. When it's a new client, guess what? You have no idea what you're walking into. Who wants to do that 18 times every single month to get to that $75,000 increase? I don't. Do you? I hope not, because that's working harder and not smarter. Like I said in the beginning, it's cheaper to keep them, okay? So let's talk about how we're going to keep these people. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to focus on the relationship. What does that mean? That means prioritizing the nurturing of your customers. So when I say nurture, I mean after their service, sending them that thank you email, letting them know how much you appreciate them and value them as a client, right? Then a week or two from there, sending them more information about the benefits of a recurring clean, sending them a coupon, staying up to date with them, sending them company updates, staying in contact, making the phone calls, doing the follow-ups, sending the surveys. Focusing on the relationship is going to be critical, because what happens is a lot of times we focus on just getting the client, but we leave the nurturing and the relationship part off the table, because we figure, hey, we served them, they were satisfied, they sent us a review, cool, they'll come back. Not necessarily. It's your job to make sure that you are nurturing that client to let them know the value of the recurring cleans, the benefit of the recurring cleans, the benefit of working with you, the value that you bring to their lives. So your number one job is to focus on the relationship. Now, how do you do that? You do that by providing consistent quality service, that every time we come, you're going to get the same service. You're responsive as far as if a client has a complaint or a request. They don't have to wait 2 or 3 or 4 days for you to get back to them. You're responsive, meaning that you reply quickly. And then your communication, the way that you communicate with them, your confidence, the policies that you have in place, how you uphold those policies, the respect that you give to your clients, and the respect that you should receive in return. So we want to make sure that we're focusing on nurturing the relationship after we've done that first initial clean. Your job is to show them the value as to why they should come back again and often. Next, we want to leave some leave behinds. What is that? What's gonna make you stand out amongst the competition? A leave behind. What is a leave behind? A leave behind is something that lets the client know that, hey, we were here, we appreciate you, looking forward to providing you service again. It could be something as simple as a thank you card, right? It could be something as simple as, we used to leave Hershey Kisses on the pillow with a card attached to it. You take the hole puncher and you put the ribbon through it, and we would have a bag of Hershey Kisses in like the little cellophane bags, and we would tie it, and that will be left on the pillow. We hope you have a good night's rest. Thanks for allowing us to provide you great service. It's time for bed. On Valentine's Day and Sweetest Day, we would get single roses and we would leave them on the counters of our clients in the kitchen. Wanted to leave a sweet treat for you. Happy Valentine's Day. Sending much love. Another leave behind could be a branded pen, could be a branded magnet. These are all things that people are going to be utilizing in their home, even coasters. So you can decide on the leave behind based off of the type of clients that you're serving. But look at it and think about, hey, what can I leave behind that's not going to cost my business much money, but it's going to leave a lasting impression with the client? So think about what holidays are coming up. Think about what type of things you like as a consumer. So branded air fresheners, the branding of like on the toilet tissue. So all of those little things are what? Leave behinds, because after we left the home, you're still, or we're still on your mind. So leave behinds are a great way for you to do what? Stand out amongst the competition. And your goal is to retain as many of your clients as possible. So leaving something that's going to leave a lasting impression is going to always keep you and your company top of mind. The third thing that I want you guys to do to retain more clients is to create a loyalty program. Loyalty programs are a great way to get people to come back again and often. So if you think about loyalty programs, for example, if you go to the car wash and you get 8 punches on your car wash ticket, then you might get your 9th car wash free, or your 9th car wash might be half price. So you want to think about, what loyalty programs can I put into place that's going to get my clients to come back often, again, and again? So when I think of loyalty, I'm thinking of what can I give to show you that we value you as a customer. So you can do loyalty cards, you can do membership programs, you can do loyalty incentives where, let's say, after your every third cleaning, you get 30% off of your next cleaning. Every fifth cleaning, you get a free service. Every referral, you get $10 off your service. So thinking about what can I give to get more in return, because you always got to remember, it's better to give than to receive. When you give, you allow for your blessings and your abundance to flow. Okay. So remember, when we are looking at how can I retain more clients, the goal is always to get those people to come back again and often. But we want to first make sure that we focus on our customer relationship. We want to then make sure that we focus on leaving some type of leave behind, that our name, our company is going to be top of mind. We're leaving a great impression after we've left the house, that we've been here. And then lastly, we want to make sure that we are encouraging retention by incentivizing our customers with discounts and coupons and loyalty programs. Okay. So figure out, what can I give to my clients that's going to get them to come back again and often? If this video was helpful for you, it will be helpful for me if you like and subscribe so that you can be notified of our next week's video. Until then, bye.